There are three equations of motion. First, v is equal to u plus at. Second equation, s is equal to ut plus 1/2 at square, and v square is equal to u square plus twice as. Now, by using this equation, we have to solve some example which is given on page number 17, question number 3, where for the first equation, v is equal to ut, some values are given and the unknown values you have to find. Problem, u is equal to 2 meter per second, a is equal to 4 meter per second square, t is equal to 3 second, v you have to find what is v. So write the formula. First equation of motion, which is written here, v is equal to u plus at. Now here substitute the values. For u, you write 2 meter per second, 4 meter per second square a, and into 3 seconds. So 2 meter per second plus 12 meter per second. So 12 plus 2 means 14 meter per second. This is the final velocity of the object. V is equal to 14 meter per second. Second problem which is given here. Second problem, second row. You have to find what is u. You have to find. A is given 5 meter per second square, where time t is given 2 seconds, and the same way time t is 2 seconds, and here v is given to you, which is 20 meter per second, which is given. You have to find u. The same formula, v is equal to u plus at. You have to find, substitute v as a 20, which is equal to u plus a as a 5 meter per second square, into t 2 seconds. So 20 u as it is plus 10 meter per second square, 10 meter per second. Now this plus 10 meter per second, which is on the right hand side, take this to the left hand side. So this sign will change here. 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10 is equal to u, because we take this 10 to the left hand side. So it is minus. So answer is 10 meter per second, which is equal to u. U is equal to 10 meter per second. So this is second problem. Second row means we are going to use the second formula. Second formula is equal to s is equal to ut plus 1/2 at square. That we are going to use here. Now here what is given? Here u is given 5 meter per second. A is given 12 meter per second square. T is given 3 seconds, and you have to find s is equal to what? So write the formula. S is equal to ut plus 1/2 at square. Now substitute the values. S, you have to find s as it is. U is 5 meter per second. Time t is 3 seconds. Plus 1/2 as it is, because it is given in formula. So 1/2 as it is. A is equal to 12 meter per second square, into t square means 3 into 3, because t square is here. 3 into 3, t square, 3 into 3. T square is here, t square. So you substitute here 3 into 3. Now simplify this. 5 3s are 15 meter per second. 15 meter. 15 plus 2 6 are 12. So the multiplication is 6 into 3 into 3. 6 into 3 into 3. So it is 54. Now 54, the answer is 69. So the displacement s is equal to 69 meter. So the displacement, the final answer is 69 meter. second row, in second row u is given 7 meter per second. A, you have to find what is A. Time t is given 4 and s is given 92. Write down the formula again. S is equal to ut plus 1/2 at square. Write the formula. S is equal to ut plus 1/2 at square. Second step, you substitute the values. What is u? 7. T here 4 plus 1/2 as it is. A you have to find. And again t square means 4 into 4. Similarly, s is given 92. Now simplify this. Simplify this. 92 as it is. 28 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8a. Therefore sign here because we are solving equation. Now this 22 on right hand side you take it to the left hand side. 92 minus 28 is equal to 8a. 64 is equal to 8a. Subtraction of 92 and 28, 64. Now here right hand side we have to find the value of a. Take this 8 to the left hand side. It is multiplication here. So this 8 will become divide. 64 divided by 8 is equal to a. Therefore answer is 8. I write here 8 is equal to acceleration. Acceleration is equal to 8. The next value of a is equal to 8. Last formula which we are going to use, v square is equal to u square plus twice as. Now we are going to use the third equation of motion, that is v square plus twice as, which is given in the last table. Now here u, for the first column u is equal to 4 meter per second. U is given to you 4 meter per second. Then s is equal to, a is equal to 3 meter per second square. S, you are going to find what is s, and v is given to you, it is 8 meter per second square. 8 meter per second v is given to you. Now you have to find what is s. Now write the formula. V square is equal to u square plus twice as. This is given. S you have to find. Use the third equation of motion. V square is equal to u square plus twice as. Just substitute the values. 8 square is equal to 4 square plus 2 into 3 into s. 8 8s are 64 is equal to 16 plus 6 into s. Take this 16 to the left hand side. So 64 minus 16 is equal to 6s. So 64 minus 16, which is 16. So it is 48 is equal to 6s. Take this 6 to left hand side. So 40 is 6 to the left hand side. So 48 divided by 6. So answer is 8 meter. So the displacement is 8 meter. 8 meter is a displacement. Next problem. U is not given. A is given 5 meter per second square. S is 8.4 meter and V is 10 meter. You have to find U. Now use the third formula. V square is equal to u square plus twice as. Substitute the values. 10 square, because V is a 10, is equal to, U is not given, so u square as it is, plus 2 into 5. A is 5 and 8.4, because displacement is 8.4. Now 10 square means 100 is equal to u square plus 10 into 8.4. So 100 is equal to, therefore 100 is equal to u square plus 84. Now take this 84 to the left hand side. Take this 84 to the left hand side. So for the left hand side, 100 minus 84 is equal to u square. So after subtracted 84 from 100, it is 16 u square. Now taking the square root, 4 is equal to u. Here taking square root. So the velocity is equal to u is equal to initial velocity is equal to 4 meter per second. It is 4 meter per second. Initial velocity u is 4 meter per second.